Good morning, student. We are studying digestive system in human, and mechanism of digestion is included in four parts. First is digestion, and second is absorption, third is assimilation, and fourth is ejection. Today's our topic is absorption of digested food. As we know, what is absorption? Because in human being, as we know, the blood is the vascular tissue, and whenever from the intestine, because the main place of digestion is intestine, so from intestine the digested food is mixed in the circulatory system or in the blood is called absorption. So what is absorption of digested food? In detail we can say transfer of digested food, that is food substances, vitamins, salts and water, from epithelial cell of intestine of blood and lymph is known as absorption. As we know, the maximum amount of digestions occur in the ileum part of the small intestine, in the duodenum part of the small intestine, and absorption happen in the ileum part of the small intestine. Fat soluble some substances like alcohol and drugs are absorbed in stomach. As we know, there is no any digestion in the ileum part of intestine of drugs and alcohol. Drugs and alcohol are absorbed in the stomach, and mainly water is absorbed in the colon, and colon is the part of large intestine. By the presence of many folds, millions of villi and microvilli increases the surface area of ileum mucosa up to approximately 100 times. The microvilli present on epithelial cell of mucous membrane combines to form brush border. Each villus has a central lymph vessels and blood capillaries. As we show in the diagram, these are the lacteal cells, and in these lacteal cells, and this is the structure of villi, one villi, and there are so many microvilli are also present, and here these are the lacteal cells. In these lacteal cells, the lymph vessels and both blood capillaries means artery and vein is also enters, and these lymph vessels and artery and vein also observe the digestive food material, and end product of digestion are more monosaccharides. As we know, glucose, galactose, fructose and amino acid, monoglyceride and fatty acid, which are mainly absorbed. Here there is two procedure of absorption also found. One is active absorption and second is passive absorption. Active absorption and diffusion are the main mechanism of absorption. Amino acids and glucose are absorbed by blood through active transportation. Fat is absorbed in the form of fatty acid, monoglyceride and cholesterol in lymph vessels by diffusion. As we know, fat is very hard substances to digest. So first of all, bile juice can emulsify that fat, means the fat molecules convert into small fatty acid and glycerol, and then after fat should be digested. Bile form minute complex structure with these fats. The structure are known as micelles. Micelles are dissolved in chyme. And what is chyme? As we know, after enter stomach, the food particle first of all enter in the mouth, and then it is converted by the mixing of saliva, it converted into bolus, and then after whenever pass through esophagus and pharynx, it comes into the stomach, and in stomach there is oxyntic cells are secrete HCl, and after secreting HCl, the food or the we can say the bolus is converted into the chyme. So these micelles are dissolved in chyme. Each micelle is smaller, spherical or rod-shaped globule of fat bile salts. Their diameter is 3 to 6 μm. These are the diameters of micelles. So this is the diameter of micelles, 3 to 6 μm. Central part of these globules are fatty acid and monoglyceride bile salt deposit around them when micelles come near the microvilli. Means bile juice, these are the micelles, and bile juice covered these micelles to make it easier to absorb. When micelles come near microvilli, fat release fat acid and monoglyceride bile salt deposit around them. When micelles come near microvilli, fat release from micelle and diffuse into the cell because fat present in it are soluble in cell membrane. Bile salt remains back in chyme and again reform micelles. Means bile salts क्या करता रहता है, जो फैट मॉलिक्यूल्स है उनको एब्जॉर्ब लाइक बनाता रहता है, एक अराउंड इनके चारों ओर एक लेयर बनाकर, ताकि वो एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए. एंड फैटी एसिड्स एंड मोनोग्लिसराइड एंटर इनटू स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम and synthesize new triglyceride in the cell. These triglyceride molecules are surrounded by proteins such lipoprotein, globulin are known as chylomicron. Chylomicron comes out by exocytosis and enters into lymph capillaries, which is turned over to blood plasma to vein through lymphatic system with the help of lipase enzyme. Lipoprotein transform them into fatty acids and monoglyceride in plasma. Vitamins and salts are absorbed by active or passive transport method. Water is absorbed only in diffusion. Water and some vitamin, that is vitamin K especially, are absorbed in the colon. After absorbing the food material, the process of mechanism in digestion is come assimilation. What is assimilation? Absorbed food material are reached in the cell. Absorbed food material are reached in the cells through blood. There are decomposition of energy in cells and energy is stored in the form of ATP. Extra quantity of food material is stored in the form of glycogen or fat. Necessary new material like glycogen or fat, necessary materials like protein, carbohydrate, fat, etc. are also synthesized from these materials for body. Liver play an important role. Means देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अपन ने पढ़ा डाइजेशन. डाइजेशन मीन्स complex food material is converted into simpler food material. After that digestion means after that absorption means in the small intestine is divided into three parts: duodenum, ileum and jejunum. In the ileum there are so many folded, that are also called cracking folds, which have microvilli and villi, which can increase the surface area of absorption. Or in a simple word we can say, whenever the digested food material is mixed in the blood, that is called absorption. With the help of microvilli, in microvilli there is artery, vein and lymph vessels are also present, and there is lacteal cells. After enters in the blood transport this digested, or we can say absorbed food material to the particular cell or a particular organ. Then after cell can obtain energy from this absorbed food material, and extra food material is stored in the form of glycogen and fats, and all these fats, proteins, carbohydrate, which is extra to the cells, which are converted into glycogen by the liver. So liver plays an important role in this activity. Then after the last process of mechanism of digestion is ejection. What is ejection? Undigested food material or remain undigested part of passes into colon. It has many bacteria which decompose cellulose present in remaining undigested food. Absorption of water and formation of feces is the main function of colon. Colon absorb maximum water and also minerals. Remaining undigested part, mucus, dead epithelial cells, dead bacteria, bile pigment means bilirubin and biliverdin are the part of feces etc combined and form the feces. And feces are discharged one or twice in nearly 24 hours. When feces pass into rectum and then pressure is created it by contraction of rectum walls by creating pressure, sphincter opens and fecal matter is discharged by anus. Feces discharge in control by nervous system and it is a reflex response system. Reflex response system means first of all the nerve or the waves are goes to the mind and then after mind give the direction, then after the sphincter is open. So feces discharge is controlled by nervous system and it is a reflex response which originated stimulus from lower part of colon which is filled with feces. It completes with the pressure on rectum wall reaches on a definite range about 20 mm Hg. So here is one mark question performed. How much pressure are created in rectum? About 20 mm Hg. Now in this chapter only some disorders of digestive systems are remains which we will study in our next class. Thank you for today.